Hi, my name is Marco, and I'm a professor at Chalmers University of Technology in Gothenburg, Sweden. With this video, I would like to introduce you to a new project. And because I just made a website for it, I will use the website to show you what we would like to do. So if you go on MicroSAFETY.eu, you should see something like this. And you can see that the project is about safety and is about micromobility. So what's micromobility? Well, it is transportation using light vehicles. So if you ride a bike, if you ride an e-scooter, then you're using micromobility. The core of the project is in this picture. It's a long bike ride with two purposes. One is to collect data, and the other one is to disseminate research results. There are some numbers here. There is a mission, there is a vision. You can follow the project on Instagram, but at this point you may wonder, why would you do this? Well, of course there is some text here that you can read, but in a nutshell, micromobility is not safe today. It could be. There are more than 2,000 cyclists that die every year in Europe in road crashes. And if you look at the statistics, you discover that these cyclists most of the time die in interaction with motorized vehicles. So by having a bunch of sensors on my bike and collecting data about the interaction between motorized vehicle and cyclists, I hope that I will be able to understand this interaction a little bit better and contribute to develop a safety system, active safety systems in particular, but also show when our behavior is safe or unsafe as cyclists or as drivers in an overtaking, and how we can maybe change our behavior to make cycling safer. I also hope that this data can be used to better understand the role of the infrastructure in the interaction between cyclists and motorized vehicles. And of course, to devise policies that are data-driven and science-based. By giving presentations in different parts of Europe, and here there is an itinerary that is still preliminary, I hope I will raise awareness on the problem, but also show some of the research results that already today can help different stakeholders address this issue. I'm still looking for hosts, so if you're willing to organize a presentation for me and you live in some of this city, please let me know. In this website, there is also an area on videos where I will upload the videos I'm making now and other videos that will document the project. But I think the most interesting part will be some videos collected from the bike and showing some critical interactions between motorized vehicle and cyclists. I would like to acknowledge that I got 2 grants, one from Chalmers, the Area of Advanced Transport and Safer, to cover some of the expenses and plan this project, and I'm still looking for supporters, so if you are interested, please let me know. I would also like to acknowledge that Folksam, Autoliv, Trafikverket, and NTF and Göteborg Stad are contributing to the project within kind. In this area, I hope to have soon some presentations, not only academic, but also popular science presentation, detailing the research results that I think already today could be applied to make micromobility safer. And then, of course, I will gather some references for the one of you who are very interested in the topic and want to dig more. Honestly, the rest of the website is pretty standard, and I think you can figure it out yourself. But thanks for listening, and stay tuned.